Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete messages both sides on your Instagram account. For example, if you send a message to your friend or stranger on your Instagram account, and if you want to delete both sides, then you can easily do this thing. So go to your message inbox, then find a person, the person you're going to chat. So I'm just going to say hello, and then maybe it's mistake, or I can say hello. Maybe this word is mistake, so I want to delete it from the both side, from my side and to my friend side also. Now how can you see? You can see three dot, the more, simply click, and you can see unsend, and you can see this will remove the message for everyone, but people may have seen it already. So if people see it already, then they will see, but if you click unsend, then you can see both side is removed. So this way you can unsend your message so that people will not notify. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.